It's GC Off-Road, and back to do another project. I'm gonna switch over to the other camera and show y'all what I'm talking about. Alright guys, here's the driver door, and like with most people, or quite a few people, there's been a problem with the inside of the door tearing up. If you'll see, the metal is all busted out and missing 2 bolts because they won't stay in it. I've seen online that you can order these plates that go over and strengthen this up and hold your locking mechanism in place. But I got to looking earlier, and there's a scrap set of bed rails up here that I was throwing away, and they've got this piece of plate on them. I've got 2 of them. I think what I'm gonna do is pull these plates off these rails over here, mark out the design, and then make the plate to cover that door, the corner of that door up, to where my latch mechanism and all will work without being all over the place. Hey guys, you see I took the only bolt that was holding it out, and I got this plate, and I held it up and I kind of roughly marked where everything was. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down here on the carport, take my grinder and cut around the outside of these marked off areas. Okay, y'all can see, except for this back side, I've got the rough profile cut out with the angle grinder. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go clean it up a little bit on the little 1x30 belt sander, and then I'll put it back down in the vise and cut out the center section and try to trim some off this back. I didn't show drilling the holes because it's just as simple as drilling them out to, I think I took it to 3/8, and I come up here and lined it. Oh, get the door to hold open. Alright, I brought it up here, sat it up against the door, and once I lined the latch back up, the holes are marked correctly, so I'm gonna go ahead and mount this thing up and see how it works, see if I need to make any adjustments. Okay guys, you can see I've got the plate mounted up, and I've only got 2 bolts for it. One of them was a bolt they just thrown in and it don't fit, so I'm gonna have to get another door bolt for it like this. But I'm gonna go ahead and close it up for y'all. The door actually shuts and latches now. It actually closes all the way. Guys, it only took me like 15 or 20 minutes to cut that out with the grinder and then drill the holes. So I saved like, I don't know, 20 bucks or something like that on ordering a set, and then the delivery time of waiting for it to get here by just making my own out of a piece of scrap plate steel. And it works. The other door is like perfect. There ain't nothing wrong with the latch area over here on the passenger side, but I still may go through and make one of these plates for it. I hope y'all liked the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep checking back.